Hey fellas, we have received a Dewalt D780 and this one needed to replace the check, and you know that it's a door screw inside of the check. Need to get a proper screwdriver for it, and my Torx 20 fits good. As you can see, this counterclockwise screw, if you can see, I hope you can see, with the tool head. Okay, let's try to fight with this bad boy with a grinder. And okay, let's see, we have the jaws, we have the check itself, and of course we can now disassemble it, and or I can cut it here, remove it. I believe now it's hot a little bit. I will cut it a little bit more here. Some bearing is just folded out from this piece. I don't like it. Now I just want to turn everything around to take the whole ring. Now I want to turn it. Yep, finally. As you can see, I have damaged this one. That's a small problem for us here, because the chuck will fit still perfectly good. Of course, better not to damage it, but as you can see, it's I don't know, it's hard operation here. So now I have tightened the chuck, putting in the screw, and tightening the screw, turning it counterclockwise. Okay, tightening it good, and finally, after maybe an hour fight, we have replaced the chuck for this Dewalt drill. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up for my long job. Thank you.